Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Videos. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the last digit. Let's take this very easy question. 357 into 298 into 74. If you multiply, normally what you will do, you'll multiply the number, then you will look at what is the last digit. But instead of doing that, what we can do here, just take the last digit. 7, 8 and 4. And whatever arithmetic operation is there, multiply, add, subtract, whatever is there, do that calculation, but only with the last digit. So let's do that here. The last digits are 7, 8 and 4, and because it is multiply, let's multiply them. 7 8 are 56 and 6 into 4, 24. Last digit is 4. If it was 357 plus 298 plus 74, I don't need to add all the numbers. What I will do again, take only the last digits. Okay, 7 plus 8 is 15, means 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So last digit is 9. If they are talking about a number with very high power, a large power, for example, 32 power 50. Now even if I take only the last digit, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 50 times, this we cannot multiply. Even the last digit we cannot multiply. So in this type of cases, we have to depend on the property of the digit. For example, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, and 2 power 4 is 16, which is last digit is 6. 2 power 5 is 32, last digit 2. 2 power 6, 64, and 2 power 7 will be 128, which is 8, and 2 power 8 will be 256, which is 6. Okay, so you can see same 4 digits are repeating. 2486, 2486, 2486. Doesn't matter what the power is, these 4 digits are only getting repeated. This repetition of digits, this is called frequency. Here you can see there are 4 digits getting repeated. 2, 4, 8, 6. 4 digits getting repeated. So cyclicity is going to be 4, or frequency is going to be 4. For 2, cyclicity of 2 is equal to 4, because 4 digits are getting repeated. This is called cyclicity. So we are going to utilize this only to get the answer. Okay, have a look. The same question once again. 32 power 50. Okay, here what we are going to do, divide the power by the cyclicity of 2. Cyclicity of 2, and find the remainder. Don't find the quotient, find the remainder. For example, 50 divided by cyclicity of 2 is 4. 50 by 4, the remainder is 2. Now have a look. 2, 4, 8, 6. If the remainder here, this remainder is 1, then the answer is the first one. The remainder is 2, answer is second one. The remainder is 3, answer is the third one. And the remainder is 0, answer is fourth one. Here the remainder is 2, 2 means second one. So answer is 4. 0, 1, 5, 6, because cyclicity is 1, it will always remain same digit. It does not change only. You take 6 power anything, it will be ending with 6 only. 6q ending with again 6. 6 will always remain 6. The last digit will always be 6. That's why the cyclicity of 6 is 1. So 0, 1, 5, 6 always gives 0, 1, 5, 6. It does not change. Okay, cyclicity 2. 4 and 9. 4, remainder 1, 4, remainder 0, 6. We can see remainder 1, 4, remainder 0, 6. Again, when divided by cyclicity of 9, that is 2. When power divided by cyclicity, find the remainder of this. That remainder is 1, answer is the first one for 4 and 9, and remainder is 0, answer is the second one. Similarly, cyclicity 4, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, and remainder 0. Remainder 0. First, second, third, fourth. Remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 0. If this remainder is 1, for 2, 8, 3, 7, answer will be the first one. First ones. The remainder is 2, answer will be the second ones. The remainder is 3, answer will be third ones. The remainder is 0, answer will be the fourth ones. 154. Last digit is 3. Cyclicity of 3 is equal to 4. So power divide by cyclicity. Here the remainder is going to be 2. Okay. Remainder is going to be 2. So second one is 3, 9, 7, 1. Second one is 9. So answer is 9. 22,002. Okay. For 7 also cyclicity is 4 only. So 22,002 divide by 4, find the remainder. And for this case, I'm actually not going to divide 22,000, okay? I'll just check the last 2 digits. If that is divided by 4, the remainder is going to be 2 only. 2 means second one. 7, 9, 3, 1. Second one is the answer. If the power is very large, you don't need to check that. Check only the last 2 digits of the power. That can easily get you the remainder, and once you get the remainder, based on remainder you can decide what is the last digit. Let me take one more example here. Here the power is huge, right? It is 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 3, 9, 4. I have to check the remainder by dividing by 4, because for 3 the cyclicity is 4. But I will not divide such a large number by 4. What I am going to do? I will check only the last 2 digits. What is the remainder for that? Same remainder will continue for this such a big power also. Okay. So 94 by 4, the remainder is 2. So that will decide what is the last digits. So 3, 9, 7, 1. Second one is 9. So here also the last digit is going to be 9 only. Okay. Cyclicity of 3 is 4. So factorial 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 divide by 4. Find the remainder. Now you might be knowing this. Any factorial apart from factorial 1, factorial 2 and factorial 3, any factorial, they all be divisible by 4. Every factorial will be divisible by 4 except factorial 1, 2 and 3. All of them are divisible, so remainder is always going to remain 0 only. So you don't even need to check the factorial power, okay? Just check, is this bigger than factorial 3 or not? That's more than enough. If the power is more than factorial 3, straight away you can go for last digit of 3. 3, 9, 7, 1. The last one is 1. That's the answer. Same is for 7 also. If the factorial is such a big power, you can directly go for the last one. 7, 9, 3, 1. 1 will be the answer. If it was last digit was 2, then 2, 4, 8, 6. Directly you can go for 6. 6 will be the answer, last digit. What if it is 39 power 71? Now for 9, the cyclicity is 2 only. 71 divided by 2. Remainder is 1. 1 is first one. So 9, 1. First one is the answer. So here the answer is 9. But what if it was 39 whole power 62? In that case, 62 divided by cyclicity, remainder is 0. 0 means second one. Second one is 1. Okay. So here the answer is 1. Now just remember this, okay. Whenever the power is odd, this is applicable only for 4 and 9. If the last digit is 4 or 9, in that case, if the power is odd, same digit will be the answer. If the power is even, next digit will be the answer. Same for 4 also. 4 power 71, same digit answer. If it is 4 power 62, next digit will be the answer. 4, 6. 6 will be the answer. 2 plus factorial 3 up to factorial 201. what is the last digit in this number? Factorial 1, the last digit is 1 only. Factorial 2, last digit is 2 only. Factorial 3, last digit is 6. Factorial 4, last digit is 4 because it's 24, right? Factorial 5, 120, last digit 0. Factorial 6, 720, last digit 0. And from now on, every number, every factorial will have the last digit to be 0, 0, 0. Okay. So what you have to do, just add them. This will get you the answer. So what you have got to do here is just add them, because all the other numbers will have the last digit to be 0, 0, 0. So you have to add only this 4 and that will get you the answer. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So last digit is 3. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can leave the doubt in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.